Hi, I am Vishal Verma. I am heading the HR department for Alumnus Software Ltd. It was an honor to interact with the students of Globsyn Business School related to topic of HR analytics. HR analytics is growing in India. We need more data, and in future the HR analytics will be slowly converted into organizational network analysis, giving more data, more insight into the data. Students here are good, interactive, a little bit of more detailed into statistics, and a little bit of more interested into technology part related to development into Excel. I've given them the overview of how Excel can be used for ETL, that is extract, transform and load, and they will learn slowly with time. I've been associated with Globsyn since last 5-7 years. So I come here for paper presentation, conferences, and interaction with the students. Some of the students have I've got an opportunity to work with some of the students as my team, and they have worked very well. So I wish all the best for the students and see them going into HR analytics and be the flag bearer for Globsyn. Thank you.